Good morning, students. Welcome to all of you in the SST class. Today we will continue chapter 9, Soils of India. Today we will know about laterite soil, mountain soil, desert or sandy soil, and also about soil erosion. In the previous class, I told you how the soil is formed and why is it important and what are different types of soil, and in that we studied about alluvial soil, black soil and red soil. Before we continue Soils of India, let's have a quick recap on what we have studied. Students, I told you soil is a renewable natural resource. It is the upper layer of the earth in which plants grow. It takes thousands of years to form a layer of soil. It is very important because it supports plants' life and enhances their growth. All soil types are not equally fertile. Fertility of soil depends on soil composition, climate, vegetation and availability of water. It is the quality of soil that decides the produce of the place. And we also talk about alluvial soil. Alluvial soil that is very fertile and it is formed by the deposition of sand and silt along the river bank. We also studied about black soil, whom we call black lava soil, because it is formed by the solidification of lava. This soil can hold moisture. And we also studied about red soil. Red soil is not so fertile because it cannot retain moisture. To make it fertile, farmers add fertilizers in it. Now, we will study about the next soil, that is laterite. The next soil is laterite soil. Laterite soil develops as a result of leaching in places of heavy rainfall. Leaching means removal of minerals from the soil. Leaching means removal of minerals from the soil. Due to heavy rainfall की वजह से जो मिनरल्स हैं वो वॉश्ड आउट हो जाती हैं, बह जाते हैं, यानी कि दे आर इरोडेड एंड ड्यू टू दैट द सॉइल्स बिकम इनफर्टाइल. इसकी वजह से सॉइल जो है इनफर्टाइल हो जाती है बिकॉज ऑल द न्यूट्रिएंट्स आर लॉस्ट ड्यू टू लीचिंग एंड इट हैज टू बी रिप्लेनिश्ड with manures. If we have to grow crops, we will add to manure in the soil to replenish it. And it is found in few areas of Maharashtra, Odisha, West Bengal, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Kerala. And this soil is good for growing millets and groundnut. Good for growing millets and groundnut. Yes, this soil is good for growing millets and groundnut. This soil in coastal areas is irrigated by canals and rivers. Coastal areas में they get water through rivers and canals, and it is enriched with manure to make it fit to grow rice and sugarcane. It is enriched with manure and made it fit to grow rice and sugarcane. Laterite soil is dried and baked to make bricks. With this soil, we can make bricks. This soil is also used for making bricks. इस सॉइल को ड्राई किया जाता है और आफ्टर ड्राइंग इट इज बेक्ड टू मेक bricks. The next soil is mountain soil. Mountain soil. Where is it found? It is found in hilly areas. कहाँ पर ये मिलती है? Hilly areas. It is found in hilly areas. It is rich in humus. I told you, humus is a natural fertilizer that is formed by the decomposition of dead leaves and plants. It is found in Jammu and Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh. Wheat, barley, maize, fruit, coffee, tea and spices can grow well in mountain soil. Wheat, barley, maize, fruits, coffee, tea and spices can grow well in mountain soil. The next soil is desert or sandy soil. Desert or sandy soil. It is found in arid. Arid region means dry and hot region. This soil is sandy and not fertile. सॉइल जो होती है वो सैंडी होती है और फर्टाइल नहीं होती है. As you all know, desert receives little or no rainfall, means scanty rainfall. The sandy soil needs a lot of water to grow crops. In this soil, wheat, millet, barley, maize and pulses can be grown only if they get water for irrigation. अगर irrigation के लिए water मिलेगा, then they can grow wheat, millet, barley, maize and pulses. Otherwise, desert soil is suitable for cactus, bushes or shrubs. Otherwise, desert soil is suitable for growing cactus, bushes and shrubs. Now, what is soil erosion? The next topic is soil erosion. Yes. What is soil erosion? Soil erosion is the removal of upper layer of soil by the action of wind and water. Yes. What is soil erosion? जब विंड और वाटर यानी कि हवा और पानी के कारण सॉइल की अपर लेयर बह जाती है, रिमूव हो जाती है, उड़ जाती है, दैट इज कॉल्ड सॉइल इरोजन. So soil erosion occurs when the upper layer of soil is removed by the action of wind and water. Now, how the upper layer of soil is removed? What are the causes of soil erosion? Now, the causes of soil erosion. Yes. What are the causes of soil erosion? The first cause is human activities. Yes, first one is human activities. How humans are responsible for soil erosion? कि ह्यूमंस कैसे रेस्पॉन्सिबल है सॉइल इरोजन के लिए? ह्यूमंस क्या करते हैं? वी कट डाउन ट्रीज को काटते हैं. वी पुल आउट ग्रासेस को पुल करते हैं. एंड समटाइम्स वी अलाउ आवर एनिमल्स टू ओवरग्रेज. कभी कभी हम क्या करते हैं? अपने एनिमल्स को ओवरग्रेज करने के लिए अलाउ करते हैं. तो ऑल दिस मेक्स द सॉइल लूज. इसकी वजह से क्या होती है? सॉइल लूज हो जाती है एंड दैट कैन बी रिमूव्ड बाय द एक्शन ऑफ विंड एंड वाटर, जो कि विंड और वाटर के एक्शन से रिमूव हो सकते हैं. तो फर्स्ट cause of soil erosion is human activities. The second is rainwater and strong winds. कि जब बहुत तेज हवाएं चलती हैं और रेन वाटर होता है, that carry the loose soil away. As I told you, due to human activities, we cut down trees. जब पेड़ों को काट देंगे तो क्या होगा? सॉइल लूज हो जाएगी, क्योंकि सॉइल प्लांट्स क्या करते हैं? सॉइल को होल्ड रखते हैं, बांधे रखते हैं. तो अगर वी कट डाउन ट्रीज और वी अलाउ आवर एनिमल्स टू ओवरग्रेज, देन द सॉइल बिकम लूज एंड दैट विल बी eroded by rainwater and storms. Or often landforms like steep slopes also cause soil erosion. जो steep slopes होते हैं, जो ढलानें होती हैं, that are also the cause of soil erosion. Steep slopes. Now, how can we stop this erosion of soil? How can we prevent the soil from being eroded? So, prevention of soil erosion. How can we prevent the soil from being eroded, from being removed? First of all, if we plant more and more trees, कि अगर पेड़ों को ज्यादा से ज्यादा ग्रो करें, प्लांट्स लगाएं. Second, stop deforestation. First, plant more and more trees. Second, stop deforestation. पेड़ों को काटना बंद करें. एंड थर्ड, स्टीप स्लोप्स यानी कि हिल स्लोप्स शुड बी कवर्ड विद वेजिटेशन. हिल स्लोप्स should have vegetation. Fourth, we don't allow our animals to overwinter. So stop overwintering. Fifth, practice terrace farming. So, we can prevent soil from eroding by planting more and more trees, by stopping deforestation, by having vegetation on hill slope, by stopping overgrazing of animals, and practice terrace farming. By all these methods, we can prevent soil erosion. So this was all about chapter 9, Soils of India.